Before you book your cruise on Symphony of the Seas, you need to see what the room actually looks like. We stayed in room 12220, and in this video, we're giving you a full tour of the cabin. From the layout and storage space to the bathroom, bed setup, view, and the little details that matter once you're actually on board. Because your cruise cabin isn't just where you sleep, it's your home base for the entire trip. So, was room 12220 on Symphony of the Seas comfortable? Was there enough space? And would we book it again? Let's take a look inside. Here we go. Okay, you're gonna open it up. Let's get our first look at the room. Here we go, guys. And there it is. Go ahead. And here we are, guys. So Tiffany had a surprise waiting for her in the room. Some roses and some chocolate covered strawberries.
And guess what?
Whatever. You're welcome. And our waters are here for the week. All right, so this is our room on Symphony of the Seas. We've got room 12220. It is an ocean view balcony. So we'll start with the balcony. We'll come out here, and we are just getting ready for sail away. Open this up. So as you can see, beautiful view of Miami. Beautiful view of the water. Okay. Come back in here, and you got couch over here. You've got drawers over here. There's a fridge in this cabinet here. Right there, got a little fridge. We've already put some waters in there. Okay, got a little desk here if you're gonna need to do any work. It's kind of nice. They've got 3 power plugs and 1 European plug if you have an adapter, and they also have 2 USBs. You got in this drawer over here, there's a hair dryer. You got a mirror. Of course, we've got our king size bed. Then you got a closet on this side with plenty of storage space for your luggage right there. That's nice. And then of course you've got your TV at the foot of the bed. You got another closet over here, not quite as big. This is the one that's got the safe, some shelf space, some drawer space there at the bottom. So that's pretty nice. Now the one thing I'm noticing, well no, I guess it was the same on the other one. We only had a plug on one side of the bed. Yes. Yeah, so there is a plug on that side of the bed. There's not one on this side of the bed. So you want to keep that in mind. Then the bathroom. Standard bathroom. You've got the shower right there, decent size. You got your toilet, your sink. You do have some storage down here for towels or whatnot, and you've got some shelf space there in the corner for you to put your medications or anything like that. They do have some kind of plug up there. That must be for the hair dryer that they have. So, what do you think of the room, hon? Symphony of the Seas.
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Big enough for us.
It's got everything you need, right?
It does.
All right, so it's that time. Tiffany's going to do the bed test. Let's see how the bed is. How is it?
It's nice.
Yeah?
He actually has a bed topper on it.
Okay.
So hopefully that will be good and allow us to get some good sleep.
Okay.
If not, I'll ask them to take it off.
Right.
But right now it feels pretty good.
They will pretty much accommodate anything you ask. So. All right, guys.
It's a little soft, but
yeah.
It's nice.
So there you have it. There's room 12220 on Symphony of the Seas. Pretty standard balcony room for a cruise ship.